Okay, so we have the 3 snacks that you're taking the measurements for today. And so you should already have done your predictions of which one has the most energy. So is it the almond that has most energy, the hot Cheeto, or is it the marshmallow? And so we're first going to measure the almond. So we want to measure the mass of the almond. There's the mass of the almond. And then we're going to put it on this little spit. I call it a spit because when you go to the restaurant and they have the chickens cooking and they're turning, that's a spit. So I'm going to put on the spit right between my blocks, and my blocks are going to hold open. My can is going to go here, and we're going to put water inside the can. So I've already pre-measured 50 milliliters of water, and I got it as exactly as 50.0 as I could get it. And we're going to assume that the density of water is 1 gram per milliliter. And then from that, if we have 50 milliliters of water, how many grams of water must that be? And that will be the mass of our water. So we're not going to weigh it on the scale today. We're just going to make the assumption based on the density of water. So we're going to pour this water in the can and take an initial temperature reading. Make sure I get all my water in there. And we're going to measure the initial temperature of the water. Looks like it's already stopped moving, so there's your initial temperature of the water. And now we're going to take that and put it on top of our almond. We want to make sure the almond is, notice I put it sideways so it can get as much air as possible from around it. If it's standing straight up and down, then it's going to have less surface area for it to help burn. And then we're going to light it on fire until it burns on its own. And then we're going to measure the temperature change of the water. And there's an ant, so I might burn him as well. Not yet. You want to get it to make sure it's burning on its own. Once it's burning on its own, we're going to stop our lighter. And what is my... Stop for a second. Pause.